There's one there as well. Oh, yuck. It's teasing you. Wait, look.
I don't want to get in again. Oh, I grabbed it.
Really? Oh, look come again.
Oh, it's sucking. I got it! It's going nuts. It's going nuts. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's really disgusting. Look at that.
Nicky! How do you grab it? Is that what they do? They just move along like that. What, along the bed of this? What, you try not to break it the way as well? Well, that's what they live.
It's so horrible.
I'm going to try eating them. Yeah. Really good eating. Have you had them before? No, some people hate them, but I hate oysters, but I love everything else, so I really like them.
Oh, look at that.
How do you make them in the past?
I'm sorry, so
Just a bit of garlic and just really for a short period on
we're sorting it and then leaving it for 10 minutes then they
That is the strangest thing, isn't it?
disgusting.
that movie.
Yeah.
Look at that. That looks like an anus. Can you tell what problem?
Oh, yuck. It just did a little clench.
That's his worry.
It should be. Going in there. Joss, what's going to happen here?
There's going to be death of a number of razor clams, sadly.
How are you cooking them?
I'm cooking them
Walk me
in
through it.
this delicious garlic and butter and red white wine escabeche.
Yeah, escabeche.
Can we get a big tray? It's still moving.
Penny. Good?
You don't have to eat the brown bit.
Good?
Do you eat the bum?
Really interesting.
The bum hole.
Do you eat the bum? Do you eat that?
Yeah, you have to eat it. Sorry, gotta go for it.
Oh, it's so salty, the bum.
It's salty, is it? Eat it.
Yeah, close up that bit there. What's that?
Just try not to think about it.
Sand?
Is it sand?
I don't think that's necessarily good for you. Anyway, this bit just tastes so nice.
I guess they're full of protein and
Yeah.
Yeah.
nutrients and
Only
minerals.
Bit of omega-3. and let me just do down.
Ian, you're not joining in.
Ian, you need this. It's got a meat.
What am I not joining in?
Why? Can you explain to the camera why you're not eating
It's
razorfish?
disgusting.
Hey, go. Oh, that's it.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it. Eat it.
How does it taste?
Normal.
Normal.
Like normal food.
Like normal chicken.
Like normal pat.
Thanks, guys.
Lovely razorfish.
It was an experience.